guys, welcome back to the Techie Family channel. I'm Lou here with the new Galaxy S20 phones. Gonna do a quick unboxing, see what's in the box, take a look at the colors, camera layout. This one here is the S20 in the blue color. Looks sort of whitish to me, but there's a camera housing. It does have a little bit of a bump there, but get some serious cameras on this particular device. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Again in the blue color. Let's see what comes in the box with that one. While that turns on, go ahead and take a look. We've got the fast charger, USB-C. USB-C to USB-C cable. Nothing special, it's not braided or anything. It's regular black color. We've got a pair of AKG wired AKG USB type C earbuds right in the box. Now the S20 Plus, super fast charging cable right in the box for you. That's the device there. In the blue color. So we'll go ahead and set that one off to the side. I was gonna open the S20, but you know what? Let's just take it out. Go ahead and take it out of the box. Nothing special. This is their base model. Slightly smaller screen on this guy. This one is in the gray color. All fingerprint magnets. Same camera bump there. This one's got 3 cameras as opposed to the 4 on the S20 Plus. See the difference in the cameras there. Also the difference in the colors. So blue on the S20 Plus, we got the gray on the S20 regular. Not too shabby. We won't go what's in the box because those are gonna be the same. This here though, this is the bad boy that we're waiting for, no? The S20 Ultra. This one has the 6.9-inch display, 4K resolution screen. This one's got the 108 megapixel camera. This one's got the 100x space zoom. This one here. Wait. Oh yeah, satisfying. This one has the 100x space zoom, as you can clearly see on there. Space zoom. So this one has the crazy camera setup. This one's in the black color. Like I said, 108 megapixel camera. Lens on this guy has the 100x space zoom, where the S20 only has a 30x space zoom. Still a crazy amount of zoom on a camera phone. records 8K video, 120 hertz refresh on the screen, which you guys can't see on camera, but is definitely noticeable, especially when you're playing video games. Let me go ahead and see if I can launch a game for you guys. It's loaded. Hear that? But again, black S20 Ultra. Not gonna lie, graphics are a little crazy. Nothing crazy, just a quick gaming on 120 hertz screen. Not gonna lie, this looks unbelievable. Just to give you an idea how smooth it's running. Now, I did play Call of Duty on a different phone and PUBG, and the graphics were amazing. It was smooth on the 120 hertz display, so definitely something to look out for if you like playing video games on your device, on your phones. Definitely a totally different experience, unless you got the Asus ROG Phone 2 and some other devices out there that have 120 hertz. But Samsung flagship devices, 120 hertz refresh, 108 megapixel on the S20 Ultra with 100x space zoom. This is the black. This is the blue and the gray. Just a quick unboxing for you guys. Nothing crazy, just wanted to get them out. Show you guys the differences in size, show you guys the different colors. Well, leave a comment down below. Let me know which one's the one for you. Would it be the S20 with its 3 cameras, smaller screen, still has a, refresh rate on the screen, still a good device, nice size? Would it be the S20 Plus? Would it be this blue color, even though it looks sort of white? Four cameras set up on this one, 6.7-inch display. Or to be the Ultra, go all out. 108 megapixel camera, 100x space zoom. This is the black color. 120 hertz refresh rate on the displays. Samsung doing it big this year, real big. USB Type-C fast charging, wireless power share, reverse wireless charging. What do you guys think? Let me know. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that like button. Tap it, smack it, whatever works for you. And we'll see you guys on the flip side. I don't know, this black looks a little dope. I don't know, $1,400 though. kind of crazy. So starting at $1,000, $1,200, $1,400. You guys can go for the Z Flip for $1,380. Get you guys a folding phone. It's not a bad color. I don't know. By the way, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Again, this is Lou from Techie Family. We are over and out.